Join as early as possible. Already 7:30. Yes. Let's begin today's live session, class 10 biology. Some important topics we are going to discuss today, which are very helpful for your main examination. Okay. Yes. Hi. Yes, students, today we are going to discuss about blood and lymph. So, what do you mean by this blood? Already you know. What do you mean by lymph? Lymph is a another lymphatic system is present in our body. How circulatory system is present? In the same way, lymphatic system is present. What is lymph? Lymph is nothing but blood vessels will be there. Okay. Through the capillaries, some blood will come out. That will become what? The red blood cells will die there, and the lymph will become colorless, and it will do some functions. It will enter into the intracellular space. In between the cells, the lymph what tissue or lymph fluid will come out from the blood capillaries only. Actually, it is main content. It is coming from blood only, but here RBCs will be absent. And what the lymph will do? Discuss about lymph, and then we will go to this part. Okay, lymph functions of lymph we will see now. Lymph transports fatty acids and glycerols from small intestine to blood. So already we have discussed the digestive system. What we have discussed, the food is completely digested in small intestine. Okay, so in small intestine, our villi will be present. Millions of villi are there. They will absorb this food. Okay, carbohydrates are converted into glucose. That glucose will be absorbed and released into the blood. Some fats and fatty acids and glycerol will be present. That will be absorbed by lymph. Okay, who will absorb the fatty acids and glycerol? Lymph. Okay, lymphocytes present in it destroy harmful pathogens. First we have to understand what do you mean by pathogens. Pathogens are disease causing organisms or microorganisms. Students, in our body the microorganisms will enter through air, water, food. Okay, so some microorganisms are pathogens, highly what disease causing organisms. Microorganisms are everywhere on our hands, cloths, plates. Okay, so they will enter our body. So these lymph contain what? Leukocytes. What do you mean by this leukocytes? Can you tell? Can you comment here? Leukocytes means what? Yes. How many students have joined? And some students are commenting here. Let's see. Yes, Mohit Gunchikar said hi. Mohit, thank you for joining. Jai Shri Ram Cooking Channel, thank you for joining. Said hi. Rukmini Sangam, hi. Yes. So many students have joined. Okay, fine. Leukocytes is nothing but they are WBCs, white blood cells. What these white blood cells will do? Will fight against microorganisms. How soldiers are what? Protecting our country. In the same way, WBC will protect our body from pathogens, harmful microorganisms. Leukocytes are nothing but WBC, white blood cells, and the lifespan is 10 to 16 days, students. After 16 days, those the old WBCs will die, and continuously the new WBCs will be produced in our body. So we have to eat a healthy food. So RBC lifespan is 100 to 120 days. So RBC function already you know. It contains a hemoglobin pigment, red blood cells. red blood cells are red in color because of hemoglobin, and the lifespan of RBC is 100 to 120 days, and the function is to carry oxygen in our body. It contains iron content. Okay, so hemo means blood, hemoglobin, protein is present, students. So RBC lifespan 100 to 120 days, WBC lifespan 10 to 16 days, and platelets, another type of blood inside the blood. There are another type is the platelets. They will clot our blood. They will help to clot, stops bleeding. Okay, whenever small injuries happens in our body, that will be stopped by our platelets. Platelets lifespan is 6 to 10 days, very less. So so many students you have seen somehow admitted to the hospital because due to lack of platelets. Platelets lifespan is very less. So we are discussing about lymph. The lymph carry fatty acid sign, glycerol from small intestine to the blood. Okay, and they destroy the pathogens. It carries lymphocytes and antibodies from lymph nodes to the blood. Antibodies, they carry antibodies, students. Antibodies, they fight against the microorganisms. Okay, they will remember. If once some bacteria, they will come enter our body, antibodies will fight against them, and they will remember throughout our life. So whenever again that organisms will come, our antibodies will be ready and they will fight against the microorganisms. So there is a lymphatic system also present in our body. So let's continue. We are coming to our topic. Yes. The first column characters are there. Okay. In second column blood is there, and the third column lymph is there. So characteristics. First color of the blood is red in color. As just now I have told you. Hemoglobin which is present, hemoglobin, red pigment. Okay, for hemoglobin our blood is red in color, and lymphs are colorless. So RBCs are absent here, so that's why the lymph is colorless fluid it is. Okay, it is also fluid and this is also fluid, both are fluid. Components means what? The content. Blood what it contains, lymph what it contains, content. Okay, components. So blood consists of, I want to tell you, blood consists of two things: solid component, liquid component. Okay, and in solid components blood contains RBC, WBC, platelets. Just now we have discussed RBC, red blood cells, WBC, white blood cells, platelets. So lifespan already have told you 100 to 120 days, WBC 10 to 60 days, 6 to 10 days. So function is carrying oxygen and act as a WBC acts as a defense system in our body which fight against the microorganisms. Platelets helps in clotting of blood. Yes. So components of blood consist of and the liquid component is plasma, students. Plasma. Solid components, liquid components. Blood is having two components: solid, liquid. So liquid they are having plasma. So consists of plasma, erythrocytes, leukocytes, and platelets. So sir, what do you mean by this erythrocytes? Erythrocytes are nothing but RBC. Erythrocytes are RBC, leukocytes are WBC. Another name is there, you have to remember, very very important. RBC, WBC and platelets. Plasma, erythrocytes, leukocytes, platelets. Erythrocytes, leukocytes, platelets, plasma. Yes. And blood contains several plasma proteins. And plasma, some protein will be present in our blood, and high concentration of calcium and phosphorus. Our blood contains high amount of calcium and phosphorus minerals are present in our blood, students. RBC, WBC, platelets, plasma, protein contained, calcium and phosphorus. What lymph contains? Lymph contains fewer plasma proteins. Plasma will be less. Okay, it will be there, less quantity, and low concentration of calcium and phosphorus. Phosphorus and calcium minerals are less in quantity, and RBCs are totally absent. That is, erythrocytes are completely absent in lymph. So flow of blood. How blood flows in our body? Rapidly, very fast, continuously. It will be in the process of movement. Blood connects all the cells, all the tissues which are present in our body. That's why blood is called as fluid connective tissue. As in ninth standard you have studied in the chapter tissue. Okay. So blood is a fluid, liquid, connective tissue. Why it is connective? It is connecting everywhere. So it is a tissue, fluid connective tissue. So how it flows, students? It flows very very fast, rapidly, and the lymph, how it flows? Very very slow. Okay, so this is the difference between the blood and lymph in flow. So direction of flow, how the blood will flow, in which direction blood will flow, and how the lymph will flow, in which direction. Let us see now. The path of circulation is, path means what? Way. Okay, so in which way it will circulate, or it will move? It will move from heart to body organs. Our heart will pump the blood. Okay, that blood will move throughout the body, heart to body organs again, and from body organs back to the heart. Heart pumps the blood, it moves everywhere. Okay, and again it comes back from all the organs to the heart. This is the path of circulation of blood. See, blood, how wonderful it is there. What is the function of blood? Okay, blood carries oxygen in our body, students. Not only oxygen, blood carries carbon dioxide back, okay, to the heart from all the organs. Only oxygen and carbon dioxide it is carrying? No. Food which is completely digested in our digestive system, okay, that will be absorbed and sending to each and every cell. Only oxygen, only carbon dioxide, only food. Yes, let's just a few seconds, I want to check some comments. Yes, so many students. Yes, thank you for joining the live sessions. If you are having any doubts, you can ask here. Yes, Girish sir, Hari Om sir, Hari Om. Thank you for joining my live session. Yes, Talapati Girish sir, my colleague, he is commenting in the live session. Thank you sir for joining my live session. So here students, what I am telling you, blood not only carries oxygen, not only carbon dioxide, not only food, waste material also, waste materials. Toxins which are produced in our body, all the toxins the blood will carry and moves to the kidney. Inside the kidney, the blood filters and leaves all the waste materials and come back. Okay, so not only oxygen, not only carbon dioxide, not only food, not only carrying waste materials, also carries hormones and enzymes. See, in our body, certain glands are there. Pituitary gland, which is present in our brain. Thyroid gland is present in our neck. Adrenal gland present in above the kidneys. Okay, pancreas is a gland. There are so many. Testes are the glands. Ovaries are the glands. So these are the endocrine glands which will release their hormones directly into the blood. The blood will take that hormone to the target organs. So blood carries hormones as well as enzymes. Enzymes are nothing but chemical substances. In human digestive system, exocrine glands are there. These exocrine glands release some enzymes that will be carried. Yes. So the direction of the flow of the blood we have seen, from heart to all the organs, from all the organs back to the heart. So here, what is the lymph pathway? Path of circulation is body tissues to the heart. Again, heart to body tissues. There are so many tissues are present in our body. Muscular tissue, skeletal tissue. Okay. Yes, connective tissue. In ninth standard, you have studied the detail about tissue chapter. Chapter is their tissue. What are tissues? A group of cells. So many group of cells will be there. They will perform a same function that is called as tissue. So this is about what some difference between blood and lymph. So please with me, please be with me. Don't go anywhere. Just for a few seconds. Now I want to tell you what few MCQs we will solve now. Few MCQs which are helpful for our examination. Okay, so just I want to rub it. Only this portion I will rub it, which will help you for our live session. Okay. The first MCQ they have given here, for photosynthesis the green plants need. So I am giving you four options. You can tell me chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water, light, all of this. I will repeat the question for photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis process takes place in plants. The photosynthesis, the green plant need. What they need? Chlorophyll. Option B, carbon dioxide and water. Option 3, sunlight. Fourth, all of these. Yes. So this is a leaf containing chloroplast. Okay. So suppose you think this is a plant.
Jai Shri Ram.
Plants need sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, and also they need chlorophyll. All of this. The option D is the correct answer. Yes. Now, in man, the teeth which are replaced. Okay. In man, how many teeth are present in adult human being? How many teeth will be present, students? Yes. It is a general question. Okay. There are 32 teeth will be present in adult. Yes. Which of the following is not a salivary gland? While explanation I have told you. Okay. Sublingual gland, lacrimal gland, submaxillary gland, parotid gland. Yes. Option. Once again I will repeat the question. Which among the following is not a salivary gland? In salivary gland there are three types are there. Okay. So sublingual gland, lacrimal gland, submaxillary gland, parotid gland. Parotid glands are present in our cheeks, inside the cheeks. So sublingual is present below the tongue, and here inside submaxillary glands will be there. And option B, lacrimal gland is not present in our salivary gland. Yes. Movement of food through the esophagus due to what? The food will move from mouth to the stomach here in esophagus. It is also called as food pipe. Options. Due to what? Lubrication by saliva. Okay. Peristalsis, gravitational pull, all of this. Can you tell this one? Why our food is moving from mouth to the stomach? lubrication of saliva means our saliva is mixed with our food, it become wet. Second thing is peristaltic movement, okay, and the third one is gravitational pull, and the fourth option is all of this. All of this fourth option is the correct answer. Yes, fine. Next question, gastric digestion takes place efficiently in. When gastric digestion takes place efficiently, gastric means I have already told you belongs to the stomach. In stomach, when it takes place efficiently, acidic medium, alkaline medium, neutral medium, highly alkaline medium. Can you comment here? Okay, which of the four of the options are which of the one is correct in the four options? Gastric digestion takes place efficiently in option 1, acidic medium, alkaline medium, neutral medium, highly alkaline medium. So gastric digestion takes place efficiently in acidic medium. In our stomach, HCl, hydrochloric acid, is released. Okay. Where is bile produced? Where is bile
Jai Shri Ram.
produced? Gallbladder, blood, liver, spleen. Gallbladder, four options are there. Gallbladder, blood, liver, spleen. So, gallbladder temporarily stores the bile juice. Actually, it is produced by what? By whom? Liver. Biggest gland in our body. Yes. Next question, which of the following is connected with the transport of water in plants? Okay. So water is absorbed by root hairs. From where it is sent? Okay. Which one of the following is connected with the transport of water in the plants? Phloem, xylem, epidermis, cambium. Cambium, epidermis, xylem, phloem. So the water will be transported through a xylem, students. Xylem is a water conducting tissue. As already I have told you yesterday, formula you have to remember, X, W, P, F. It will help you a lot, students. X means xylem. Xylem is a water conducting tissue and also mineral and salts. Phloem is a food conducting tissue. Yes. Still there are so many things are there to discuss. So in the next session I want to make it more effective. So please join with me. So let's meet in tomorrow's session. So before completing end of this session, just I want to once again check Anand Irkal. Yes, Anand, thank you, Anand. You are commenting the right answers here. Yes, 32 teeth, number of teeth, and all of this you have commented the correct answer. Yes, Anand, thank you for reacting here. So you are giving the correct answers. Thank you so much, students. Let's meet in tomorrow's live session. Until then, keep learning, do hard work. Definitely, not only hard work, smart work also you have to do. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Take care. Yes.